jumping on me. Here, jump here.
She will jump down.
Oh, she's gonna jump down.
Otherwise, she will break her neck.
Yeah, then you have to pay for it. You have to pay for a doctor. She's so used to it now. She got it. See? She totally got it. She gets it. She gets it now. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, she has blue eyes.
She's beautiful, man. Sim, you're so lucky to have her.
Take it.
You
Take it
should,
home.
you should totally
Take it home, man.
just feed her.
Sam, take it home.
What's wrong with you?
Take it home. Yo, take it home.
I don't think I can deal with cats. They're just too snobby, you know? Cats are a bit too snobby, aren't they? Jonathan, you take it home.
No.
Then you have 3 cats.
I have 2 dogs already.
Your brother can have 3 cats. So she don't have to be lonely.
Oh.
She can join.
Yeah, sure. You want to jump there?
She can join your brother's family. Or imagine if you have her home, then the 2 dogs is totally going to gang up on her. She'd be like a little sister. She'd be like a little sister, right? Hey.
What's this for? The neck.
Oh, this rubber band, nothing.
Why they put it there?
Yeah, cats are really smart. Smart cats. BB. BB.
Fishies.
So tiny.
Oh.
Ooh.
Lucky no nail.
Feisty. Feisty little one. Ooh, she's trying to bite you.
She spit.
She's like, you're not gonna gang up on me. You're not gonna bullshit me around. She know when you try to play her. It's like, don't test me. She's 4 weeks old and she's like, she already know how to say that. Don't test me. Even kids are not test. Oh, she's biting on your couch, Sam. She's biting on your couch.
She wanna go down.
She's biting on your couch.
What?
Wow. So amazingly. You put cute kitten, you know, if you put cute kitten on YouTube, you automatically it's like 100,000 hit, you know that? Totally. Cute kitten. Oh, BB, BB, Is she gonna jump?
Hold it, she go down.
Whoa! You okay? You okay, baby?
Now she's
You alright?
gonna cry.
Oh no, you're gonna cry. You're not gonna cry, you little one. No, she's strong. She got strong spirit.
Now she only have 5'9" now.
She got a strong spirit. She's not gonna cry. She's like, hell no. She's a winner, right? You're a winner. She ain't gonna cry. Whoa. What you gonna do? You gonna climb on me?
Showing your dick.
You're disgusting, man. Sick bastard. Why are you so sick? It's like, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. You baby kitten. It's like, don't mess with me. I know who you
Give
are.
us some chicken.
See, she,
I don't want to give her anything.
yeah, feed her some chicken.
Give her food.
Just one bite. She will have.
So much energy in
Just one
her.
bite.
So, it's
Just
almost
give her
like a
one.
miracle.
Just give her one. One chicken. Little one. Let me see.
You
Let
give
me see
her
how
the-
she eat.
Yeah,
Just eat like
give her the chicken.
Tiny one. Just tiny one.
I wonder if she know what this is.
She don't know what it is.
You are such a strong girl. You totally got my respect, baby. You totally got my respect. Oh. She's put on the floor. She's hungry.
Oh shit, she eat that shit. Wow. Damn, she eat that.
Of course she's gonna eat.
Why?
幾咩？樣樣都唔食。
She's like, I only eat chicken. Don't feed me no cat food. Don't feed me no cat food. So I'm not playing. I only like the good stuff. Yeah. I only like the good stuff, right?
Chicken
Is that what you're saying?
tastes good. That's flavor.
Is that what you're saying? You only like the good stuff? She's like, I want quality. I want quality.
Yeah, how long is it record, man?
Nothing less.
Can you finish? You gonna finish on your teeth?